How to enable or disable JavaScript on Mozilla Firefox browser. First, open Mozilla Firefox browser. In the search bar type this. Press enter. Click on Accept the risk and continue. Again, up here type javascript.enable. It's enabled by default, but to disable it, click on this icon. Here you will see the false option active, which means JavaScript is disabled. To enable, just click on this again. Here you will see true. So that's how to enable or disable JavaScript on Mozilla Firefox browser. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. Have a nice time.